It is July 16th, 2019, and we just had our storm start. Shutters installed. What's nice about this is I can control them remotely with my phone, or I can use this remote to open and close them all. Let's see. What's nice is when they installed them with a miter joint in the corner, so it doesn't look so industrial. Kind of looks like a crown molding. This end one had to get installed separately though. This is great for when there's a hurricane. We can load all our furniture inside there, part of the lanai, and go. You can also operate these individually. So you can open just one. That little dog's going to get herself crushed. I wonder how that will work. There's no safety for when it comes down, but it's pretty slow. Plus with the remote you could stop it midway. Maybe you want to block the sun, but still want to get some air. On the end here you'll see there are manual controls, so that if you do lose power, no electric, you can manually close these or open these. There's a crankcase for that. Each one has that. And what else is kind of nice is that even though it's hard to see through, even from this close, maybe you could see through the light where there's some light. From the inside, you could see out pretty well. So if there is a storm and you're bunkering down inside the house, you can still see what's going on and not feel like you're bunkered in. The cost for this was $17,360, and we use Storm Smart. Oh, it's July and we're in one of our thunderstorms here in Florida. And I dropped the hurricane screens because what I found out is it's really good about keeping the rain out. So it's raining really hard, and the rain that does hit the screen just rolls straight down. Even if it's blown in by the wind, it catches it and drops it. We used to have our furniture get wet on the ends here, but now it's not an issue. Yep, and that's the conclusion of our video. Woo! They're hanging all over.